How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can switch back to personal account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to switch back to personal account on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you will be able to see this type of interface where you need to just come to the profile icon from the bottom right. Now you can tell that I have a professional account because you can see the professional dashboard icon here. So if I want to switch to personal account, I can tap the three dots option from the top right and then just go to settings. After I go to settings, I can just go to account, scroll down, you'll find the option called switch account type. So here you can tap on switch account type and then select switch to personal account. We don't want to switch to business because business is also a professional account. So if you want, you can just tap on switch to personal account here and then tap on the switch option in order to switch your Instagram account back into your personal account. This way you will be able to switch Instagram account back to personal account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.